It's Monday morning, everybody. That means what did we buy Sunday on Amazon Prime? And it's 103 degrees already. Yeah. Anyway, here we go.
Boys and girls, we did it again. More Amazon stuff. Should be a very useful one though. So let's check it out. Ready? Here we go. We Amazon stuff. Amazon stuff. So what I need to do is pick up all this stuff that I'm gonna scoot right on over. I was making a how to make a wiring harness video, but once I made half of it and lost half the footage and then looked online, plenty of people had them, so no big deal. Anyway, this is going to be to mount an ECU. We have this beautiful swap project, and I want to mount this ECU, but I want to mount it a little bit over, so we got to make some pretty holes and make it look right and make it look good. That way it matches the rest of this vehicle, because it's going to be amazing. Let's go open the box. I'm still trying to get used to this mic and having faith in the way it works. Test. Yep. All right. So I gotta stop saying so. I say so a whole bunch. Opening the box. I don't know if anybody's noticed or watching any of my other videos, but I love them when they come in kits, especially like the blow molded case. So this is what we got. We have a Rivnut tool. Had a couple of friends use them, tell me they love them. I've never had one, and this is the perfect opportunity to get one and to get a customer to help pay for it. Although this one was pretty cheap. Let's see how cheap. It was limited options. There's not a whole ton of parts and pieces in there. So we have 16-inch, 11 dies, 110 pieces total, and it was 49 bucks. The smaller 14-inch was 33 bucks, so mine was 50 bucks, which I think is great, because when I first noticed these about 5 years ago, they were really expensive. Gloves, yay. Oh, that's probably 5-6 pounds, so that's pretty heavy. Good and thick. I should not be able to bend that and or break that for what I need. I found the hardware that I want to use, so I'm going with a M6 pitch thread or size thread. It's probably a 1.0. I don't know, it doesn't tell me. Because it fits my, can you see this? It fits the M6 Rivnut. So I've got 4 of them. We're gonna try to hook this computer up with, double checking to make sure. And because it's a computer, I want to use rubber grommets, if you will, on both sides as isolators. I don't have any, so I'm gonna use the O-rings, which is why these are a little bit longer than you would expect. So I'm gonna O-ring the back side and the front side to hang this computer. But first, let's use this tool to loosen up everything. I know what that's for. That possibly will go there. This looks like a poker to go here. Yep. Interesting. So that's what that is. That's a stopper. Gives you an extra one, which is cool. Let's put this in its container. Let's grab the M6. Stick it in the hole, line her up, push her in. Gonna screw it all the way down. Now keep in mind I've never done this before, but I know I like all the threads to show. My understanding, once you drill the hole, this goes here, bring that down, and then, oh no, you want to open it first. There you go, now you can adjust the tightness of it. The thread distance. And then it pulls it in. Bloop. Interesting, interesting. And you got the one on the bottom. That brings it in and out. Nope, the one on the bottom just turns it to thread it and unthread it. Alright, so this controls the depth of the thread. This one takes it out of the Rivnut itself. Yes. That being said, let's grab this, let's grab this. Let's grab the tool. Let's go to the truck. Here we go. We're at the truck. There's the Terminator X ECU I'm gonna use. There's some O-rings. I've got them laid out over here. Now, it did not give me a graph or a guide to go through with what size do I need to make this hole for this M6 threaded Rivnut. The outside diameter is obviously bigger. So I did a test panel. I know I should have broke out the micrometer and measured it, and I would have known all this. These little bits with the tip like that, they're just amazing. So this is my starter bit for everything. And it is a 1/4 inch DeWalt brand bit, even though I'm a Milwaukee fan. So I started with that, then I went to this size. There's a little bit of play, not much, just a tiny bit. That's a 3/8 holder. It is too big. This one, however, is perfectly snug, and it is a 23/64. Because I started with a 21/64, 11/32, and 23/64 seems to be the winner. Let's see how easy this is. Let me set up this tripod and I'll be right back. Test, test, test. Yep, I still see the green bars on the camera. All right, here we go. So washer part down. If you think you don't have enough thread, you do, because this goes pretty deep before it even contacts. So don't let that bother you. You want this deep in the base. You want that deep in the base. Alright, here we go. In the hole. That was just one pinch. I know sometimes you can do more than one. Luckily I can get back there and feel it. I'm gonna do more than one just because. Good and tight. Oh yeah. That was a lot. possibly too much, because I think I may have distorted it slightly. I don't know, but either way, for an ECU, that is not going to go nowhere. That thing weighs a pound. Let's do this 3/8 one. Yeah, so that works. I didn't have to do it super, super tight like I did the first one. Second try, much better. I like it. Yep, I can feel the mushroom on the back. So that's not going nowhere. Now what I'm gonna do is mount the ECU on these two, make sure they line up, and then mark the holes for the other ones. Be right back. Can you see that? Yep, you can see that. Man, it's 105 degrees out here already, and it's only freaking 9 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, this worked out great. It's holding. I don't like my O-ring idea with the isolators. I'm just gonna have to go to the store and buy some true rubber grommet type things. Anyway, I'm gonna mark this other side, and then let's do 2 more and get it over with. Let's see, will the punch fit in there so I can just go ahead and do the center? No, it will not. So we'll take a scribe the circle.
I still got button head or Allen head. Which I guess I still can. I just like using what I got when I'm giving somebody such a
Discount. Gotta go. Somebody just came up. Yeah, that was my hammer. We have a customer that I've been doing some swapping with. Here getting some parts. Yep, that'll work. When you're lining up bolts on something you don't want to tear up, you want to be as precise as possible. Hang on just a second. All right, back with you. Anyway, let's make some holes.
One of these days I'll get some real money and buy some carbide bits. I'm gonna go through sheet metal like butter. This feels pretty good. I'm not pressing real hard. Trying to get me all the way to go through the fender. Don't do that. Hey, we got train.
The amount of sweat is absurd.
That's why the rent sheet, folks. We have a
Train that comes by, I don't know, 3 times a day. But it will usually generate a phone call or two, so we can always expect on more business. Hang on just a second. Let's see, test. Can you still hear me? I hope so. Okie dokie. So I got the other 2 done. And we're going to pop 2 more on there. I'm not going to mount the ECU. Tighten it up. loosen it up. That should be fine. I'm not going to mount the ECU because I want to go get some better rubber grommets. Maybe a spacer also. Oh yeah, this is going to be awesome. Anybody done these? How long is it going to last? Should I put JB Weld behind it? I don't know. 3M 5200. If I really want it to never leave. Amazon tool. Big dirty thumbs up. Approved. Should be fine. Anywho. Can you see me? Can you see me? Sweating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We'll have some more tool reviews as I collect more and buy more and need more to do certain projects. And anything you see in the background that you want to see more of, let me know. I kind of enjoy making the videos. I need more subscribers though, so I can change the name of the channel. So please subscribe.